So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Elessi WooCommerce WordPress theme in just $3 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So here in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this theme and how you can install it in your website. So at first you have to click on this buy now. Now here you have to fill your basic details in this billing details. Now I want to tell you this thing, if you are purchasing this theme from anywhere else, then most probably you will not get any update, but from us you will get each and every update. And there is this tab also, my update. From here you will get notified about all the updates, so you will not miss any single update of this theme. So after the payment will be successfully done, you will get this file. Just download it. Now for the updates, there is this my update tab. From here you will get information about all the updates about this theme. So now it's time to install it. So you see this appearance, themes, add theme, okay, upload theme. Now the file that we have downloaded, we have to simply install it. Now you see this, the installation is successfully done. Now we have to activate it. Now you see this, the theme is successfully activated. Now from the control panel you have to configure it. Now you see this, from here you can do your configuration part of this theme. Here you can choose everything according to you. So these are all the settings you can do. These are our main theme features. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.